the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. I just can't figure out, is it too late or too early? Is it right on time? Could it be right on? If the crow said it right, we could move out by dawn early. Could be right on time. Could be right on. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. So the sound of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. Cars staring at the ceiling, still traveling fields, thinking if you rise, I rise. We'll be waiting for the morning, he'll crumble and strain. Again, if you rise, I rise, I run, I run, I. Some of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. Some of the birds taking off scared you last night. Though they were right to leave, right to use their wings to fly. I just can't figure out, is it too late, too early? Can't figure out, is it too late, too early? Can't figure out, is it too late, too early, too early? Can't figure out, is it too late, is it too late, is it too early? Too late, is it too early? Is it too early? Too early? Too early?